What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your cracked bowling ball and also how to prevent it from happening. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, let me give you the 3 reasons why bowling balls crack. Number 1, you want to keep it in a temperature controlled environment, somewhere where the temperature doesn't go up and down too much. So not your basement, not your attic, not the trunk of your car, you know, somewhere where the temperature is like, 70s, room temp. Number 2 is you want to store the ball not on like concrete, like hard something, you want to put it in a ball cup or something soft like a towel or a little pillow or something. And number 3, if you're going to be storing it for a long time, go ahead and get yourself a plastic bag and put the bowling ball in it and seal it up really tight. Put a little twist tie on it. Get it as close to the ball as you can so there's no air in it, because these balls are made of different materials, and as they contract and expand, the resin can actually evaporate, and then the ball will split because of the different rates of expansion and contraction of materials. And also, this is kind of a last-ditch effort until I can get a new ball for the new one. Alright, let's get to fixing this baby. Alright, so first thing we want to do is clean all the way around the crack. If you can find something to get in the crack to clean it, do that too, like a little toothpick or something. I did that, but I used some rubbing alcohol too, just to get the grease off of. All the way around the crack will get it nice and clean. Actually, go ahead and grab an old toothbrush and we'll use that to get down in that groove. That'll be easier. Make sure we get all the debris out. Alright, now you're going to want to take some masking tape and we're going to mask all the way around that crack. There we go. I got it taped all the way around the crack just to the edge, so this will make cleanup a lot easier and just get the glue into there. Alright, now we're going to get to gluing it. Go ahead and pick yourself up some of this JB Weld epoxy, or you can get the syringe style epoxy. I'll put some links in the description to both of those, but we're just going to mix 50% of each one together. Okay, just mix up enough that you can use in about 4 minutes, because this stuff sets up fast. Just mix it up till it's all one consistency. And then we are just gonna fill it into the crack. And I'll just go ahead and push it down with my finger. Just gonna try and fill it in as deep as I can. Alright, so I finished up epoxying it and I smoothed it out with my finger. Go ahead and wear some rubber gloves and set this baby outside, because that epoxy stinks. So we're just gonna go ahead and let this set up for about 24 hours. I'm just gonna leave it out here overnight. Alright, so it dried overnight. Let's go ahead and peel the tape off. Hopefully you did a good job of taping it up. Should make it easier to come off. Alright, now running our finger over the seam, it's a little raised up, so we're going to take a razor blade and we're just going to start scraping it off all the way around till we get it nice and flush to the surface like that. Alright, now once you get that transition really smooth, that's pretty much it. If you want to, you can take like a sanding pad or some fine grit sandpaper, like 1000 grit, 1500 grit, and we'll just go ahead and scuff up along that line. Make sure it's nice and smooth, then we can come back and polish it after. Alright guys, and there it is, all finished up. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care and have fun bowling.